time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap down in today's trading session. It was a 50-point gap down, and thereafter it continued to drift lower throughout the day, ending the day with a massive cut of more than 250 points for the day. The market breadth was negative with 232 advances to 1230 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC, Reliance, ITC, TCS, Tata Motors, ONGC, L&T were some of the losers in today's trading session, while HUL managed to close with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has opened gap down. It has closed below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, which were the crucial supports. It has also reached below the previous intermediate swing low of around 8147 was the low. So it has also breached below that, indicating that the short-term trend has reversed. The daily momentum indicator has also reversed from the equilibrium line, indicating that the short term or a top or a medium term top is in place, because the weekly momentum indicator is still having a negative crossover, and now the daily momentum indicator has also completed its pullback cycle, and from there it has turned negative. We feel that a short term or a medium term top is in place for Nifty. Our sense is that the Nifty has formed a head and shoulders pattern, which is an extremely bearish pattern, and in the coming trading sessions we expect the fall in the Nifty to continue. We expect our short-term targets for Nifty are placed at 77.23. 77.23 is the low which it touched in mid-October, and around there also we have the 40-week moving average. Theoretical targets for this head and shoulder pattern come really low. However, if this pattern doesn't play out and the Nifty finds support around that 40-week moving average, then 77.23, 77.50 is good support for the markets or the Nifty. So we turn our short-term trend to negative for a target of 77.23 on the downside, and the reversal will be placed at the high it touched in the last trading session around 8445. So that would be a reversal level, and we are expecting the markets to trade with a negative bias in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that the retracement was a clean three-wave rise, and the low of wave B has been broken on the downside. So that indicates that this is a sign of trend reversal, and we expect the selling pressure in Nifty to continue in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty, which was leading the rise until yesterday, has also given up its gains in today's trading session. It has closed below the 20-day simple moving average, which was a crucial support for Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, it is very much possible that it has formed a head, and now it would be selling off in a very swift manner in the coming trading sessions. It is possible that the Bank Nifty is forming an expanded flat correction. However, it is just a matter of time whether we will come to know whether this is just a sideways consolidation or a very big fall. Since it is trading above the 40-day moving average, that could act as a crucial support for Bank Nifty. However, we are not recommending any bottom fishing at this point of time. Let the market give us some signal that a support is in place, and then we should look at buying. So Bank Nifty trend is also negative for the coming trading sessions. On the downside, 18,151 and 17,900 are crucial supports. On the upside, 18,715 and 18,900 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty has changed to negative. We are expecting targets of 77.23 on the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 8051, which is around the daily lower Bollinger Band, and 7961, which is the previous swing low. On the upside, 8200 and 8235 are crucial resistances. That's all for the day. Thank you.